Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Olympic and World Championships gold medalist Nesta says he has no plans of retiring yet. And as he sets up a new business venture, he says athletes need the right team to help them plan for life after track and field. Denise Walters reports.
34-year-old Nesta told TVJ Sports he won't call time on his career just yet. The 2013 World 100-meter bronze medalist notes he's working hard to stay in shape and says despite the COVID-19 pandemic's interruption of sports, athletes have to find ways to stay fit, and it comes down to the person.
The good thing about track and field, specifically being a sprinter, it's about individual performance, right? So it's up to me to put in the work, because I'm going to be held accountable if I don't perform.
Carter, who has competed on the track and field circuit for over a decade, running a personal best of 9.78 in Rete, Italy in 2010, says the cancellation and postponement of events because of the pandemic has impacted the earnings of athletes.
Based on the travel restriction, athletes are unable to get a contract, renew a contract, or even compete to make an earning.
He notes it's important for athletes to have other avenues that they can explore.
I think athletes need to be diverse. This time it could be COVID-19, next time it could be an accident or even injury. So it's important for athletes to have the right team to help them make long-term financial and career goals.
Carter, who is also a businessman, admits he saw a need and got into his current venture of opening a dialysis center after his manager was diagnosed with renal failure and he also lost a family member. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.